Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, November 25, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM legit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, November 25, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 25, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, November 25, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 20 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for November 25, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, November 25, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.